Hi, this is Christian with MISO BIM.
This tutorial topic is Revit shortcuts. This course is considered beginner level. You will learn the existing keyboard shortcuts, how to create your own shortcuts, and how to export and import custom shortcuts. The first shortcut you will learn is KS. This will bring up the keyboard shortcuts menu. Many of the Revit tools and commands have predefined shortcuts, but this menu allows you to change most of the keyboard shortcuts and add your own key combinations. When you first open the keyboard shortcuts menu, you will see a default list of assignments arranged in 3 columns with title panels. These panels include the commands, shortcuts, and paths. You can rearrange the list by clicking on any of the panels and choosing the direction of the alphabetical order of the words under that selected panel. For example, we can have the list go from high to low alphabetical order under the Paths panel. At the top of the menu is the command search bar, where you can type in the name of a command. Type in snap and the list changes to display only the commands that contain the letters you typed in. Unfortunately, not all the snap commands are displayed because they don't have the word snap in their command. Below the search bar is the filter drop-down menu that contains filters to organize and narrow down your list of assignments. So if you only wanted to see the shortcuts for all the snaps, you scroll down the filter list to snaps and you will see snap shortcuts only. Let's go back to our all filter. Any shortcut listed in gray is a system shortcut. It cannot be changed. You can see all system shortcuts under the all reserved filter. To add a shortcut, find the command in the command column or enter the command name in the search bar. Once you've selected the command, enter the shortcut combination in the Press New Keys text box, then click the Assign button. To remove a shortcut, select the combination keys and then click on Remove. You have a lot of flexibility assigning shortcuts. A single command can have multiple shortcuts. Likewise, a single shortcut can be used on multiple commands. You will be given a duplicate shortcut warning if you assign an existing shortcut. If you do create a duplicate shortcut, you have to use the arrow keys to cycle through the commands as displayed in the status bar. Once you have the command you want, press the space bar to execute the command. You should avoid this since it only adds more work to a shortcut. When you have finished customizing your shortcuts, you can then export them as an XML file by selecting the export button and saving it somewhere. This is your backup file and can later be imported back into your project or another project to override the existing and change shortcuts with the ones you initially exported. Remember, when customizing shortcuts, keep it simple, easy to remember, and quick. You can view our list of the most important default and recommended shortcuts in the Revit library. That concludes our beginner course on Revit shortcuts. Thanks for watching.